Hello, it's Beach Cameraman, and last Saturday I put out a video that we made in 2021 where we went round to Horse Cove, which is next to Shell Cove. Now, since then, Jack Brookes has let me know that there's been a cliff fall and basically a lot of it's collapsed. So behind me there is Horse Cove. Let's take a little flight round there and see what's happening.
Wow. So we can see the big collapse there. Wow. So it looks like the whole of the entrance has totally disappeared. So the waterfall's still there. You can see that that was the footpath. Yes, we're gonna... You're shaking loads, aren't you? This is very eerie.
You got all right, and then I'll film.
That's right.
So for those that also mention, that's Horse Cove directly in the middle, and then this is Shell Cove to the left. So on the right hand side we've got Corriton Cove, and then on the left is Shell Cove, and then you've got Horse Cove, which is in the middle.
So there we go. That is now Horse Cove. The Smugglers tunnels are no more. Which is a shame. I'm just glad that we got to go around and film there in 2021 before it all collapsed. Well, it collapsed last month in December 2024.